have few of water with there.
You have?
Few of water. Holy moly.
You good?
You don't know how to swim.
Don't worry.
Then I'm taking boats.
Whoa! You should sit in the middle.
He was like,
No. I'm getting off.
no.
Don't worry, don't worry.
You're not dying, no.
Relax.
Okay, cool.
This side.
Yeah? Yeah.
Relax.
Yeah. I have few of water. So we're actually taking a ride in this crater lake. Oh man.
You go aşağı yaradan.
Let me just. I always have few of water for you.
Really?
Yeah.
You
how come we don't?
you have an ocean there,
And then you
bro.
don't know how to swim.
Come on, you have an ocean. Have you been to Mombasa?
Yeah, I've been to Mombasa. I've stayed there for like 3
Come
years,
on,
you
bro.
know.
You don't even have an ocean, bro. It's a fucking London
Hopefully this will help me eventually.
for anxiety.
Pictures.
Oh, the fucking boat.
There's a lot of
The boat is kind of wobbling around like.
Oh, look. Oh, shit.
There are crocodiles here?
No, there's no crocodiles.
There's
Nothing here.
there's hippos. There's...
How deep is this water?
84.
Oh man. See you on the other side. For the first time I'm actually having the fear. I'm not the fear of, you know.
It's because you're with Ethiopians.
Maybe it's because of smoke. I'm taking some.
No, it's because you're with Ethiopians. Make sure everybody's safe.
It's kind of wobbling sound. Like.
Yes,
no
corner anymore.
full tank, yo.
Full tank.
And the sun is almost going down too, so.
Oh, it's so relaxing. እሱ ይሯሯጣል በቢሽ ቦታ
Wait, he's saying can throw me inside?
Yes.
Wait, no.
Let's pick the fishes.
I'll rather just throw myself inside. Fuck.
Yeah, give me the camera.
Here's my fucking life.
No, he's saying he saw you. You run around a lot.
Now he's just spoiling my name.
That's a clear word. That is it?
No. Don't fucking do that. No, don't do that.
I don't even know how to swim, but I'm good.
Woo!
በጣም ከባድ ይመስላል ግን እኔ ማረግ ተወሰወስኩና በጭራሽ አይ ያስታውቃል ከባድ ነው much are you paying?
Oh, no. No.
No.
No, come on, don't do that. Don't do that. My heart is fucking. No, don't do that. I was fucking peeing on myself. Yeah. Look at that. How are you feeling?
Salam
Good.
alaikum.
How you feel?
Good. It's kind of relaxing, you know.
This is kind of.
It's relaxing.
Of course, bro. Nature, man.
Imagine just coming here with these boats. Yeah. In the middle here with food. Plus some J's. You come in the morning and you leave in the evening.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Daki, you got it?
How good.
Yo, we should go to that pool party.
No.
We're going, right?
I don't have a swimming suit.
No, I'm not going to swim.
I'm gonna swim if I have to swim.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna buy some swimming suit and we can
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
But not now.
Wait, even at what time is it ending?
I don't know, midnight maybe.
Midnight.
I need to watch that game, yeah. But actually, you know, going there and swimming naked is allowed, right?
What do you mean naked?
Naked, like with your the whole everything's out.
Well, you need to have a boxer or something.
No.
Bro, this is not a.
If you just go there and say,
It's not a nude.
you just
it's
go
not,
there and
it's
say
not a nude
this
beach.
is
They gonna-
PFP.
It's not a nude
They're
beach.
gonna kick you up.
No, just say
No.
this is PFP. The only chance they can see is only today.
Someone have to let you go. What if they say like too small? Go back.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Then you should run to Kenya.
I'm leaving now. They tell me it's too small. I'm leaving now.
Small. Go back.
But I'll be trending in news in Ethiopia, right? Yeah. They might even. I'm gonna be famous.
Wait, are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, yo, fuck.
Oh
He's
shit.
recording his
Yo,
interview.
wait.
Oh shit. So, are you serious? How many subscribers you got?
I have 10,000, almost 11,000.
Not bad.
Not bad, yeah. You thought I had 1 million?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck you.
I have 1 million.
Yeah, we made like these two people, right? They have like 100 or 200k
Yeah.
followers. I thought like, you know.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, man. We've
But,
known
like-
each other we've seen each other for like how long? 2 weeks now?
Me and you?
Yeah. No, 1 week. We
I
met
don't-
at the.
Yeah, we met him at the hostel.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you haven't known I'm a YouTuber?
Huh?
You didn't
You
know?
don't have a t-shirt written YouTube, right?
Nah, I don't have to. It's a must.
Why would you take everybody with a YouTuber? Because you run around with these cameras? Actually, the fuck. Loving the sun, but I feel like I'm gonna get sunburns. A lot of I didn't.
Wait, no. He's actually saying you guys go throw me inside there. Come on, you guys don't do that. Nah. I'll kneel down here.
No, we're not killing people.
Nah,
Don't worry. Not today.
Stoners don't do that, bro. We mind our own business, bro. Don't worry about that.
Yeah.
We got you.
My heart is.
We got
My heart
you.
is fucking beating.
Come on.
A Kenyan who doesn't want to swim.
That's sad, man.
Let up. Such a
Bro,
decide policeman.
You know, I haven't eaten since yesterday. I haven't eaten since yesterday. The food I ate in the morning, nah. I need some. Due to the fact that you guys don't have ugali, I need some burgers.
Chapati.
Yeah, oh, it's chapati.
Beans with chapati.
There's a time I just started crying because I miss ugali.
Bro, I love the beans with chapati.
Oh, madondo.
Chapati is nice.
We say madondo.
I don't know.
Madondo. Mixed, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the fries. Chicken. Chicken.
Yeah. Kenya's got between Kenya and Ethiopia. Where is actually some good food.
Don't ask this. You're gonna be so disappointed, yeah.
I mean like the street food. Leave alone the traditional.
What do you mean a street food?
We don't have it like
The street food. We don't do
here.
yeah.
Like,
We don't do street foods.
yeah,
We're
there's
not
no street
junkies.
food. More natural.
Natural,
Organic.
healthy and shit.
No GMO.
Yes.
Ethiopia.
The motherland.
So
It's a motherland.
The motherland.
yeah, I knew that. Kufia competition.
There's no competition. It's the
you guys-
motherland.
Yeah, you guys just fear competition, you know.
There's no competition.
What competition?
Ethiopia is on top. Yeah,
Competition?
There's no competition.
Bro.
Bro, yeah.
You
How
wanna
many?
talk-
How many international
Do you
banks?
reboot?
It doesn't matter.
No, it's a
Do you
question.
know,
It's a
do
question.
you know history? You know history?
You don't know shit. International banks, fuck banks.
Man, what the fuck? We have our own language. We have our own
Everything.
everything.
No, that's why I'm saying you fear competition.
Yeah. Nah.
We're
it's
not in the
about
competition. We have our own
we,
thing.
We don't give a shit.
Okay, cool.
Do you?
You know?
guys,
No,
do you?
I don't want to get into. I don't want to argue. It's okay. You win.
We know. Who cares? Who in the world would compare Ethiopia to another country? Yo, like,
Nobody. We the oldest, ancient,
everything.
civilized.
Beautiful country.
Huh?
Huh?
Not at least I can. No, this guy is up to something, right?
No, it's good.
We want to throw you because you're insulting Egypt.
No,
You're
I'm not,
comparing.
no,
You're
I'm not
comparing.
trying to compare.
Ethiopia is
Ethi-
uncomparable.
Yeah.
Okay, Ethiopia is uncomparable.
Yes.
This. Now we good.
Now we good.
You don't want to die.
Now we're not getting
But the good thing I'm almost here, so you guys better do whatever you want to do.
እንዴ ደረሰን? ኧረ መልሰን በእናትህ መሀል ላይ ብላ ፍሬዘር አልመሰለኝ እዛ ጋር።
You're tripping, bro. You're tripping. No, I'm tripping too. I see everything green. I swear.
But it's good, right?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. It's mellow. It's mellow. Also, like those things look so way beautiful than they were yesterday.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah, no. Yeah.
Everything.
No, I no. The moment we were jumping the boat, I felt like it's kicking in.
But Ethiopia is very beautiful, to be honest. Very beautiful.
We know that.
100%.
I'm a foreigner and I'm trying to, the best.
Don't say you're a foreigner, you're in Africa, we're
yeah, of course.
African, we
Let me
brothers,
say
bro.
the best you can do is say thank you.
Now we know. Like,
You almost here, bro.
Okay.
this guy's gonna leave.
No. Wait. Go fast.
What?
Try and put your ass to go fast. Because if you leave your ass behind.
Don't worry.
No, let me go because.
You didn't die. That was a nice experience.
Thank you, man.